Hello guys and welcome. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to open an account in OpenAI's product Chatgpt, the powerful language model designed to assist you in a wide range of tasks. So if you are looking to unlock the full potential of Chatgpt, stay tuned as we dive into the registration process. Step 1. First, you need to visit the official website of ChatGPT. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL openai.com. Step 2. Once you are on the home page, you will find the Try ChatGPT button on the corner of the screen. Click on it and you will be taken to the registration page. Step 3. On the registration page, you need to click on Sign Up. You will need to fill in your personal details starting by your email address and password. Make sure you choose a strong password that contains a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 4. After filling in your personal details, click on the Continue button to submit your information. You will receive an email confirmation shortly after. Step 5. Open the confirmation email and click on the link to verify your account. Once you have verified your account, you'll be able to fill the rest of your personal details, like first and last name, and a valid phone number where you are going to receive an SMS with a code that you need to enter in order to verify the phone number used as well. You can log in then and start using ChatGPT just like that, simply. And that's it. Another way, which is the easiest, is to log in using a registered Gmail account, which usually includes a verified phone number and the necessary personal details needed. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to register using ChatGPT. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. See you soon.